asfalted, very less bumps. And both of the sides of the roads are covered with lots of trees. Superb view. And currently a barricade is there, but we are skipping the barricade, check post, and going forward. "25 kilometers from Rameshwaram temple area to Dhanushkodi and Ram Setu. And nearly takes about 30 to 45 minutes. Nearing the both of the seas are just about a hand touching distance from us. The Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. We have reached our destination, Arichal Munnai Ram Setu, and currently walking towards Arichal Munnai, the end of India, and Ram Setu. Currently standing on the boulders. These are the boulders currently I am standing, and behind me the meeting point of the two oceans, Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal, and under the sea is the Ram Setu. Currently behind me the Indian Ocean. And the other side is the Bay of Bengal. This is the Indian Ocean. It's very much calm compared to the Bay of Bengal. It's very much calm. Less waves as compared to the Bay of Bengal. Entering the Arichal Munnai area, the barricades are there. No car can go beyond this place except for the special ones having permissions to enter. Exceptional view. Currently is the Bay of Bengal. We are seeing the Bay of Bengal. And here it is, the Indian Ocean. It is the Indian Ocean, and we are slowly going towards the place where both of the seas meet each other. The Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean meets each other. Full of tourists, packed, literally packed with tourists. In front of us is the Arichal Munnai pillar. The Arichal Munnai pillar. Behind is the Arichal Munnai pillar. And all of the side is the sea. The three of the sides is sea. Behind me is the Indian Ocean, and another one. And now behind me is the Bay of Bengal. Currently standing at the place where the two of the sea meets each other. The Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal. The two of the seas meet each other. I am standing in this place. And underneath the water is the Ram Setu, which is currently not visible, but the Ram Setu exists under the water. And beliefs are there that going some forward in the ocean, anyone can even walk on the Ram Setu, as the waters are not too much deep there. Anyone can walk over the Ram Setu. Currently, behind me is the meeting point of the two oceans, the Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal. The two oceans meet each other here at this place, and under this sea there is the Ram Setu, which is currently not visible, but actually there is the Ram Setu. And according to the beliefs that if someone goes a little bit deeper in the sea, anyone can even walk on the Ram Setu, as the waters are not deep in that area. Anyone can even walk over the Ram Setu. There is the Ram Setu. It is currently not visible, but yes, there it is. Behind me is the Arichal Munnai Tower, as I have already told. Spectacular view, super. And just 18 kilometers away over the sea is Sri Lanka. Just 18 kilometers away. No Indian tower, mobile tower is here. But if any mobile tower gets catched, then it would be of Sri Lanka's. Wow. So guys, we have reached the end of our destination today's journey to Ram Setu, Arichal Munnai. Superb, awesome experience. Behind me, the meeting place of the two oceans, one Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal. Awesome view. And behind, under the sea is the Ram Setu. Awesome. So, for now, bye guys.